Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the ORLANE Paris Absolute Skin Recovery Serum, a skincare product that promises to firm, smooth, and bring back that radiant glow while minimizing wrinkles. It's a 1-ounce serum designed primarily for normal skin types, and it features glycerin as a key ingredient, plus a light aloe scent for a fresh feel. So let's get into what this serum actually does. ORLANE markets it as a wrinkle-reducing, firming, and complexion-brightening serum. The presence of glycerin instantly tells me this serum is aimed at hydration and skin barrier support. Glycerin is a tried-and-true humectant that pulls moisture into the skin, helping it stay plump and smooth. The aloe scent also hints at soothing properties, which can be nice if your skin tends to feel sensitive or irritated. I incorporated this serum into my daily routine for a few weeks, using it both mornings and evenings after cleansing and before moisturizer. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly, which is great if you don't like that sticky or heavy feel some serums can leave behind. It layered well under makeup too, so no issues with pilling or greasiness throughout the day. In terms of real results, I did notice my skin felt smoother and looked more even-toned after consistent use. The firmness claim was subtle but definitely present. My skin seemed a bit more resilient and less dull, especially around the cheeks and jawline. However, I wouldn't say it's a miracle wrinkle eraser. For fine lines, it helped minimize their appearance slightly, but if you're dealing with deeper wrinkles, you might want to complement this with stronger actives like retinol or peptides. One thing to point out is that it's formulated for normal skin, so if you have very dry or oily skin, your mileage may vary. The gentle hydration is perfect for maintaining balance, but may not be enough for those needing intense moisture or oil control. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, this serum has a pleasant light texture that absorbs quickly and layers well. The glycerin content supports hydration without clogging pores, and the aloe scent adds a refreshing touch without being overpowering. It's straightforward, effective for boosting radiance, and gentle enough for everyday use. On the downside, while it does firm and smooth the skin modestly, it's not a heavy hitter for deep wrinkles or advanced anti-aging needs. The price point is on the higher side, so if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with similar hydration benefits, there are plenty of serums out there with glycerin and other humectants that might fit the bill better. Speaking of value, considering its quality and the brand's reputation for luxury skincare, the price is justified if you want a reliable, lightweight serum to enhance your skin's natural glow and texture. But if you're chasing dramatic anti-aging results, you might want to look for products with more potent actives or combine this serum with other targeted treatments. Comparing this to similar serums in the luxury skincare category, ORLANE holds its ground well for hydration and radiance. However, some competitors pack in more peptides or antioxidants for firmer, more visible anti-aging effects at a comparable price. Packaging-wise, it comes in a sturdy glass bottle with a pump dispenser, which helps protect the formula from contamination and air exposure, always a plus for maintaining product integrity and longevity. I haven't had any direct contact with ORLANE customer service, but the brand generally enjoys a solid reputation for support and quality assurance, which adds a layer of confidence when purchasing. If you're on a tighter budget, but still want hydrating benefits, look for serums with glycerin and aloe from brands like The Ordinary or CeraVe. They offer excellent formulas at a fraction of the price, though without the luxe branding and potentially subtle scent experience. So the bottom line, ORLANE's Absolute Skin Recovery Serum is a beautifully formulated, lightweight serum that excels at hydration, smoothing, and restoring a healthy glow, ideal for normal skin types. It won't erase deep wrinkles, but it's a solid addition for anyone looking to maintain youthful-looking skin with gentle care and some firming benefits. If that sounds like what you need, this could definitely be worth trying. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've already tried this serum, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I love hearing what you all think. The link to purchase is in the description or comments box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.